A multi-plant manufacturer across North America needed faster, trustworthy visibility into equipment downtime and incidents. The result: 95% time saved on reporting and 20% fewer unplanned stops. Leadership quickly realized the urgent need for a single source of truth and actionable insights. With managers wasting valuable time reconciling conflicting reports, the call for transformation became impossible to ignore. Partnering with Ray Business Technologies, the manufacturer unified data from 7 plants and 128 departments, breaking down silos and modernizing operations across the board. Microsoft Fabric and OneLake integrated 15 terabytes of data from over 120 systems, consolidating more than 2.5 billion records into a single source of truth. Automated pipelines ingested real-time data from 2,000-plus machines and 350 sensors, eliminating manual entry and reducing data errors by 98%. Power BI dashboards delivered real-time OEE and production metrics. Reporting speed improved from 3 days to just 10 seconds, and data refresh rates increased by 500%. Leaders could ask a custom Copilot AI for instant, visual answers, accessing insights from over 1 million daily data points. Now, the company's unified data drives measurable results, boosting operational efficiency by 30%. Real-time analytics delivered immediate, measurable results. Reporting time dropped by 95%, errors fell 90%, and predictive maintenance cut downtime by nearly 20%. Over time, costs fell, IT teams gained time for innovation, and ROI turned positive in under 6 months. A data-driven culture took root, setting new benchmarks for operational excellence. With Microsoft Fabric, manufacturers are leading Industry 4.0, where smart factory investments and industrial IoT are transforming productivity and efficiency worldwide. Integrating IoT, machine learning, and digital twins, manufacturers can boost productivity, reduce downtime, and cut maintenance costs. Value flows from plant floor to boardroom. Top digital adopters achieve higher margins and faster ROI. Ready to modernize? Connect with Ray Business Technologies now.